Let us start the session. Careful cross validation, I hope we already done, right? Hmm? And today, there are some pending topics, right? Let us start from R value. Which value? R value and gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent algorithm. We'll see what all topics are pending. 98. I'm sure this we done. R value. Let me cover this. Distribution math. This did I share the material with you? We'll see. Yeah, let us start today. Let me make it this one is a running topic. Online team, can you hear me? Online team. Let's continue then. Any idea? Did you remember what is R value? Are you getting some idea? We already discussed this one. What is that? Mhm. What do you mean by correlation? Any idea? Okay. So let us just try to give a small reply. I mean, small recap actually. Let me tell you. First of all, you guys need to know regression. You guys need to know what exactly? Regression. What do you mean by regression? Regression means finding relation between, input and output. Finding relation between input and what exactly, sir? Output is called as a regression. Is called as what exactly? Regression. Repeating again. uh, Let us just try to take one general example. The very well known example from our side actually. This is the area and rice packs. 1 acre, 10 rice packets. 2 acres, 20. 3 acres, what exactly? 30. Can somebody talk with me? Input is a, area is a input. Rice packets is output actually. This is the one of the example. Next one is area. Next one is a price. I would like to say 200 square foot, something like a 20K dollars actually. Otherwise 200K dollars. Next one is 300 square foot, 300K dollars, and 400 square foot, 400 square foot. And what is the price actually? $400. Can somebody talk with me? Area means what exactly? Yeah, price is a output actually. Now read the definition very carefully. Regression means finding the relation between what exactly? Input and output. Finding the relation between what exactly? Input and output. Yeah, now the question will be how to find out. I mean to say that what I'm telling, boss, area and rice packets having relation each other. Area and what exactly? Rice packets having relation each other. Having what exactly, sir? Relation each other. This relation we can find by using two ways actually. By using how many ways, sir? Two ways. The first one is by using visualization. First one is what exactly? By using visualization. Second one by using correlation. Second one by using what exactly? Correlation. Repeating again. Area and rice packets having relation. By looking at the data, just we are sensing. Okay, maybe area and rice packets. Getting rice packets depending upon what exactly? Area. And getting price depending upon what exactly? Area. Getting salary depending upon experience. Getting salary depending upon what exactly? Experience. We came across input and output having what exactly? Relation. Just for talking, it is okay. Can you please prove practically? Yes, we can. That data visualization I already explained. What is the topic name? Any idea? Scatter plot. What is the topic name? Scatter plot. Especially I already covered actually. This is called as a scatter plot. Scatter plot. Second one, correlation. The point is by finding R value. By finding what exactly? R value. Did you remember a small discussion? Right? What do you mean by R value? Any idea? Let me give a small idea. First of all, yeah, correlation. What exactly? Correlation. The very first point is representing with R value. Representing with what exactly? R value. Good. Uh, R value should be R value. What exactly should be? Any idea? Very good. Very good. -1 to what exactly? Next one, it can be 0. Net can be what exactly? +1. Right? Can somebody tell me what is the first one? -1 to +1. Conclusion of the story. Assuming that, let us just try to take a area, and next one is what exactly? Rice packets. Next one is what exactly? Rice packets. We are trying to finding R value. We are trying to finding what exactly? R value. Keep in mind that. Can somebody talk with me? Can I say, according to the discussion, if area is increasing, tell me, sir, if area is increasing, automatically rice packets also increasing. That is called as a positive relation. What relation? Mostly you will get the result will be 0.9, 0.8, something like that. 0.9, 0.8 plus 1 also. Now what you need to do is, by taking this area and rice actually, don't go for immediately linear regression. Don't go for immediately what exactly? Linear regression. First we need to calculate R value. First we need to calculate what exactly? R value. If the R value is greater than 0.5, I am repeating again. If the R value is what exactly? Greater than 0.5. Here 0.5 is a threshold value. What value, sir? Threshold value. Then go for applying linear regression. Go for applying what exactly? Linear regression. I am repeating one more time. You may ask a question. Are Daniel, if the R value is 0.1, if the R value is what exactly? 0.1. No, you should not apply linear regression. That's a fundamental. If the R value is 0.1, indirectly it is saying no relation in between area and what exactly? Price. If there is no relation, prediction cannot do actually. Sir, if you wanted to do the prediction, definitely it should maintain relation. It should maintain what exactly? Relation. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good. Uh, Let me do calculation. I hope you understand. How we can find the relation? There are two ways. There are how many ways actually? Two ways. First one is visualization. First one is what exactly? Visualization. Second one is correlation. Sorry, that is, I don't know. I am not feeling that. You can switch on the fans, please. That fan and this fan. అది కూడా ఏంటండి అది కూడా ఇదొద్దు ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ హోల్డ్ ఆన్ సార్ visualization scatter plot we already done actually. Now correlation means by finding R value. By finding what exactly? R value. Are you clear till now? I need a response, man. Good. Let me check with online team also. Online team, I hope you understand very clearly. Yeah, good. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you. I will explain one more time. Not immediately. Hold on, sir. So I'm sure you understand very clearly. If there are two variables, something like a comma b, something like area, something like what exactly area. Next one is rice. Either having relation or not, having what exactly relation or not, we can find out by using the first one is a visualization. Second one is correlation. Second one is what exactly? Correlation. Correlation means what exactly? Finding R value. Finding what exactly? R value. Finding what exactly? R value. I hope you know. Now you may ask a question, how to find out Daniel? Simple. How to find out? Simple actually. There are two ways. There are what exactly? Two ways. First one, I will show you from our material actually. Frankly speaking, not using in real time. Not using in real time. That is a old methodology. But recently, there is a one new method came actually. That method name is a CORR. What is that method name? CORR actually. This method is available inside in data frame. This method is available inside in where exactly? Data frame. Conclusion of the story. You no need to take the pain. Did you remember correlation formula? I didn't remember, sir. I don't. I forget actually. I used to tell one thing. Instead of remember the formula, you need to remember what exactly method. That method is this one. In real time, we are using this one actually. I'm going to cover one project for you, not immediately. What is that project? Purchase intention model. This is the real time project actually. And here there should be a method. There should be a method. Come on. Yeah, exactly. Like this actually. Why it is dancing, sir? Hold on. CORR. Exactly. I will show you this one how it works actually, and in project also I will cover. But let me help you by taking one normal example actually. I'm sure. Let me open the material for the today's session. You will understand very clearly. There is a material. I'm sure these are all things we done actually. I hope this is the pending topic. Am I right? R value. What is the value? R value. Let me open this. Who came late? I'm sorry, sir. You should understand this. So please focus. Generally, why R value? Definitely you need to understand regression. By using regression, we can find the relation between variable. Once we understand the relation, once you confirm there is a relation, then only proceed for applying linear regression. Then only proceed apply for what exactly? Linear regression. If you confirm there is no relation, don't apply linear regression. Don't apply what exactly? Linear regression. Let me make a note on this one. Let me make a note. Important point, please focus on this. Important point. What is that important point? Area. Next one is rice packs. Area. Next one is what exactly? Rice packs. Now, when I say 1, 10. Next one, 2, 20. Next one, 3, 30 actually. Good. I would like to say area and rice packs having relation. Having what exactly? Relation. This is general terminology just for better as understanding. Though the matter is just a matter of three rows actually. By walking through the data, you can easy to understand, right? But let me show you one more point actually. What is the point? Let me take name. Let me take experience. Let me take salary. Let me take salary. Good. I would like to confirm. The first one is a Daniel. Next one is experience. 3 years of experience. Salary is a 30K dollars. Prasad, 4 years of experience, 40K. Rajani, 5 years of experience, 50K. Now I have a question. Can I say if experience is increasing automatically, salary is increasing? I mean to say experience and salary having what exactly? Relation. But let me ask you a question. Do you think who are all having Daniel name, they will get a 30K salary? You need to understand there is no relation between name and salary. There is a relation between what exactly? Experience and salary. I hope you understand, right? Area and rice packs having relation. Now how to find, how to what exactly find actually? Simple. Simple. The answer is simple. Calculate R value. Calculate what exactly? R value. If R value, if R value, positive. If R value is what exactly, sir? Positive. That to greater than 0.5, then there is a relation. Then there is what exactly, sir? Relation. Once you confirm there is a relation, then apply linear regression. Then apply what exactly? Linear regression. These are all basic steps you need to understand. Why today I'm covering, I'm sure I no need to give explanation for what exactly. If this topic I covered before, I'm sure you can jump actually. I hope you understand. Conclusion of the story, though you already know the linear regression, what is the R value you can find out actually. You can understand. Are you getting? Good. Let me show you. Now I would like to say experience and salary having relation each other. But name and salary having no relation, sir. Having what exactly? No relation. 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 Yeah, let me show you a line. If two variables having the relation, if two variables having what exactly, sir? If two variables are having the relation, then we can draw a relationship in two dimension. Then we can get a straight line. Actually, we can apply like this. The picture of linear regression is something like this. Let us say we have some points, a line with, will travel between what exactly these 2 points actually. Now the goal for linear regression is what exactly, sir? Draw a line. What is that one? Draw a line. Simple, as simple as that actually. Kindly please walk through this theory. Now let me show you practical. Can we use regression in everywhere? I mean to say that. Just try to come here. Daniel, I'm just trying to making according to the discussion P16 or somewhat 19. Yeah, good. Assuming that D letter is I'm applying one hot encoding, something like not one hot encoding, ordinal encoding I'm applying. Prasad, let me take as a 2. And Rajini, let me take as a 3 actually. Now, if I say 1, can somebody talk with me? Daniel. If I say Prasad, talk with me. 2. If I say 3, talk with me. Rajini. Now, can I think like, 130, 240, 350 actually we can say. But let me tell you, do you think there is a relation actually? No relation. What exactly? No relation. If there is a relationship in between the variable, then only we can use what exactly, sir? Linear regression. If there is no relationship, then we cannot apply what exactly? Damn sure interview question, man. What is interview question? In a straight away they will ask, let me know how you can confirm we can apply linear regression or not. Let me know how you can confirm, assuming that client is giving the problem statement, and a client may ask, can I apply directly linear regression actually? Then you need to reply, first of all you need to check two things, either the first one or second one. First one will be apply data visualization. Apply what exactly? During data visualization you will understand very clearly either how the data is traveling, either downwards to what exactly? Upward direction, upwards to what exactly? Downward direction. Otherwise no relation. Otherwise what exactly? No relation. I'm sure, I hope you understand. Huh? Did you remember, sir? Let me show you one small. Um, Hold on, please. I'm having a little bit cold, please, but let me try my best. Go back, mass correlation, correlation, correlation. Not here, I guess. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, R squared value, explanatory and responsive variable actually. And yeah, correlation. Look at this diagram. Please look at this one actually. Exactly this one. Now keep in mind that this is the area. This is what exactly, sir? Rice packets. If area is increasing, area is 1 acre. Yeah, rice is increasing. Area is 2 acres. Yes, rice packets is increasing. Area is 3 acres. And yes, rice packets is increasing. Conclusion of the story. If area and rice packets having a relationship, the data, I mean to say the flow is traveling from downward direction to upward direction, which is called as a positive relationship, sir. Which is called as what exactly? Positive relationship. Good. Look at this data. Here 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. But here let us take a random value. I don't have a 1 acre. I am having something like a 2.5 acres. Then there is a one value, a random value. I'm having 1.2 acres. I'm having 2.6 acres, 3.5 acres. Then the flow is like this actually. Flow is what exactly? Like this. This one also still there is a some relation. Here also some relation. But do you think here? No relation. Now, what exactly we are trying to do? We are trying to finding out R value. At least, did you understand till now? Good. This is what exactly, sir? Negative relationship. What exactly? Best example. What do you mean by negative relationship? If temperature is super high, very high, ice cream sales will be down. Ice cream sales will be what exactly? Down actually. Best example. If temperature is little bit high, then ice cream sales will be increased actually. If temperature is too high, people are not going outside actually to buy the ice cream. To buy what exactly? Ice cream. Yeah, right. This is called as a negative relationship. And let me show you practically. Anyone need this water, sir? Let me know if you need. I'm feeling so thirst actually. Even normal water, that is. Now let me close this and sorry, in a straight away, let me enter into the example. R value explains about how variables are related to each other. This is a very important step to recognize relationship in between the values, either x-axis and what exactly, sir? Y-axis. R value range -1 to +1. While calculating, if you are getting R value as a near to -1 or +1, then those variables are what exactly? Strongly related. -1 means negative relation, +1 means positive. Either it is having the positive or negative, doesn't matter actually. While calculating, if you are getting R value, then it confirms that what exactly? Sir, can I ask you a question? If the result is a 0, can I apply linear regression? No, that point you need to understand. Till now, I am roaring like a dog actually. If you understand that point, fine, fine. Let me explain practically. Let me explain practically. And please look at this one. In the first one, we are data visualization. We are applying what exactly? Data visualization. This is the confirmation. You no need to find out R value also. The data visualization is seriously superpower rather than finding the R value, rather than finding what exactly R value actually. Let me show you. Area 1, 10, 2, 23, 34, 40. Let me just try to apply this. Test1.py, dictionary, data frame. I hope you know by using dictionary we can create a data frame. First, we are creating a data frame. Yeah, good. Now let's move on. We are preparing. Can I say data preparation? Yeah, good. df dot area dot values. In a straight away, tell me what is the output return type. Nice, man. Nice, very good. That is a good practice. We need to provide always arrays input actually. Now, let me just try to apply data visualization. Scatter plot, we are applying directly. Let me apply. No, I'm sure this document you will understand today. Very good. No R value. This is in a straight away data visualization. Yeah, 1, 10, 2, 23, 34, 40. Interesting. You can go for this actually. But just for your better understanding, I'm taking the sequential values 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. This is just for your better understanding. Let me take random values also so that you will get a clear picture actually. I will help you how to take a random values also. Did you understand this? Sir, I need a response. Take this one. Online team, are you getting, sir? Okay, let's move on. Now, second one, what exactly we are doing, please observe this one. There is a one simple function. What exactly, sir? One simple function. Function name is called as a linear regression stats. There is a one module actually. And I mean, inside this SciPy, there is one module. From this module, we are calling so and so function. For this function, we need to provide input and output. For this function, what we need to provide? Input and output. Let me repeat one more time. This we are not using in real time. This is the old way. This is the old way. But nowadays, what is the passion, by using data frame, you can call a method. Method name is a correlation method. What method? Let me call CORR. Let me call straight away. Hey, is it required? Not at all required, sir. Not at all required. Let me show you. Print of df dot correlation with respect to target variable we need to find out. With respect to target variable, I mean to say that input and target variable, how it is related. I just wanted to know. Just I to say, sir, no doubt at all. 100% guarantee. What guarantee? 100%. Area and area with respect to rice packets. What is the relationship actually? Yeah, if you want, you can print it directly. This one also. It will print something like a matrix, and there is a name actually. Heat map. Please observe this one. Sir, area and area having strong relationship, and at the same time, area and what exactly? Rice yield. What is that one? Rice yield. Also having what exactly? Strong relationship. Hold on. Nowadays, we are using this method only. But in the document, what is available, this we are not using actually. And this is still you should know. We'll do one thing. Hold on, hold on. Slightly let me change the values. I need your help actually. Slightly let me change the values. One, tell me 7 rice packets. For 1 acre, how many? 7 rice packets. Let us just try to understand. For two, tell me the value. Hmm? 19. Somebody told 19. Very good, sir. Three, how much I can give? 35. It's okay. Four, how much I can give? 65. Very good, sir. Nice, nice. Now let us try. Yeah, very good, man. Area and rice packet yield having still there is a relation. What is the relationship? 0.9. What is the value? 0.9 means there is a strong relation. There is what exactly? I hope you're getting, sir. Are you getting? So like this, and here, what is the method name? Correlation. That's what. During math, I told, don't remember the formula. There is a one method. That method name is what exactly? 4 letters, sir. You no need to remember 4 lines of the formula actually. Right? Are you with me? Thus, instead of this correlation method, in stats model, there is a one some Hadavadi function actually. Let me show you that. Sir, simple was. Now I have a question. By looking at this line, can somebody explain actually this line? Come again. Return statement. Very good. I understand. But how many values? This is called as a function can return multiple values. Am I right or not? Same topic somewhere we covered where? Come again. Functions. But yeah, tell me one more time. Splitting the data. Like a train underscore test underscore split. Written how many? 4. And here it is written how many, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third value is a R value. Third value is what exactly? R value. Like this also you can call. But this explicitly, let me show you. This we are not using in real time. This is a very old passion actually. Now hold on, hold on. The variable which is having relation, we are trying to finding out actually. Let me show you the variable which there is no relation. Then you will get a clear picture. Guys, are you getting? Now this is the values which is having a relationship actually. Now let me show you. There are values, there is no relationship. During that time, you can please observe here actually. Let me take this code actually. Let me take this code. This is called as a heat map actually. Column name with the column name having always 100% relation. Best example, I myself having a lot of confidence. I myself having what exactly? Lot of confidence. Let me take my wife. My wife having how much confidence, sir? Just 0.9, 90% actually. Are you getting? Just this is something like this column and this column having 0.9. 0.9 means correlation value. What value? Almost near to +1. Almost near to what exactly? +1 according to the diagram. Let me take a random values. Let me take what exactly? Now here I'm confirming the result is a 0.9. So we can confirm that there is a strong relationship, sir. What relationship? Strong relationship. So we can apply what exactly? Linear regression algorithm. We can apply what exactly? Linear regression algorithm. Now please observe here. Observe the data. A, B, 600. What is this value? 5 lakhs 50,000. Do you think rice packets actually? Just imagine something like some random value. Next one is a 3,000. What is the value? 5 lakhs 65. Next one is a 2. Suddenly the drastic change, man. 600, 3,000, 2. 2 means what is the value? 6 lakhs 10,000. Next one is a 3,600. Then now please observe here actually. What relationship? Forget about minus almost 0 point what exactly? 0. 0 relationship. What relationship, sir? 0 relationship actually. No relationship, I mean to say that. Let's take this one. Still negative, minute, somewhere minute relationship. The negative relationship. Yep. Now here you need to understand 0.0 means you can ignore the sign. 0.0 you can ignore what exactly? Sign. No relation, sir. No relation. This is about the R values, man. This is about what exactly? R value. I hope you understand. Can I get a response? Now the result is at 0.0. You know, the value is almost near to the 0. So we can confirm that. Can I apply linear regression actually? No, we can apply. Now I have a question. Client is giving the requirement. Client is asking, can I apply linear regression? Then what is your answer actually? You need to confirm two things. You need to confirm two things. First one, apply data visualization. By using that, we can confirm. If the diagram is going something like a, traveling like a direction, then there is a relationship. If the diagram dots, something like a rangoli actually, something like a dots, there is no relation. Second one is a finding R value. Finding what exactly? R value. Finding R value nowadays, even ML project I'm going to cover actually. Nowadays, we are using one method. What is the method name? CORR, core method actually. Where that method is available? Inside data frame. Please observe here. Hope you understand. This is what about. Then let me just try to close this topic. Anything is pending left hand side? Anything is pending? Don't say 9.2. Why? Hmm. Anything is pending? First one did I cover? Gradient descent algorithm is pending, right? Gradient descent algorithm. Hold on, I will cover. Decision tree, we done. Confusion matrix is pending. Bias variance trade-off is pending. Random forest algorithm, we are done, I guess. If decision tree is done, immediately I will cover this one. K-fold cross validation. I hope the last topic is that one. Sir, prepare that. Very, very important actually. How was that day session? I hope you connected actually. Am I right? And now let me explain about SVM. Let me explain what exactly SVM. I will cover gradient descent also. Why? Because SVM unknowingly we applied where exactly? K-fold cross validation. And let me explain what do you mean by SVM today. Are you fine? Yeah, let me help you. Support vector mission. This is an algorithm. Come on, let me explain. Understand the algorithm actually. SVM, support vector mission or SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithm. It is what exactly, sir? Supervised learning algorithm. It is used for classification as well as what exactly? Regression. Mostly using for classification problem, to solve classification problem. Decision boundary. This terminology is important. This terminology is what exactly? Important. Hold on. Let me show you small diagram. Sir, look at the diagram and please understand the diagram. Just for a few minutes, understand the diagram. Simple. There are two categories of the data. I would like to say first category, second category. Or else still I would like to say there are two classes. There are how many classes, sir? Two classes. Class number one, class number two. Right? Good. Generally, this class and this class, or else first category and second category, you can draw a line. You can draw what exactly? Line to separate the data. I'm repeating one more time. We can draw what exactly? Line to separate the data. But if you draw a plane, if can I say this is the plane actually? I hope you know, sir. Something like a aeroplane wing actually. Aeroplane what exactly? Wing. That is called as a plane. That is called as what exactly? Plane actually. If you draw a plane to separate the two classes, to separate the two, two categories actually, then that is called as a decision boundary. That is called as what exactly? Decision boundary. I mean to say that in support vector machine algorithm, we can separate the two classes by using decision boundary. By using what exactly? Decision boundary. Good. The goal of linear regression is drawing a line. I'm repeating it one more time. The goal of simple linear regression is what exactly? Simply just to draw a line. But the goal of SVM is to create what exactly, sir? Best line or decision boundary. Or what exactly? Decision boundary. I will tell you. What do you mean by me? A line when we can draw, a decision boundary when we can draw, I can explain actually. Hold on. That can separate n-dimensional spaces into the classes. The best decision boundary is called as what exactly? Hyperplane. What is this one, sir? Hyperplane. I mean to say that the best decision boundary having the separate name that is called as a hyperplane. Why SVM name is SVM? SVM chooses the extreme data points vector that help in creating a hyperplane actually. Hold on. Very, very important discussion. I will come to here. Somebody please remember actually why SVM name is SVM. There is a one diagram. That diagram you need to remember, sir. Mm. Come on, look at my screen. Something like a diagram. One more time, I'm showing the diagram. One more time, I'm showing the diagram. Just assuming that XYZ axis, we have drawn three-dimensional diagram. What diagram? Three-dimensional diagram. Then you can see X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. Then, can I say this is the one type of the data? This is another type of data actually. Yes, I would like to say category number one. Next one is what exactly? Category number two. Definitely, first category and second category, we need to separate. What exactly, sir? Best example, admin came. Admin can simply, he can separate male category separate, female category separate actually. Right, good. Now, separation of the data we can do by drawing a line. By drawing what exactly? Line. And by drawing a hyperplane. By drawing what exactly? Hyperplane also. That hyperplane is called as a decision boundary. Hyperplane is called as what exactly, sir? Talk with me, sir. What is that one? Decision boundary. Now, this terminology is important. Please focus on this terminology. Sir, every point is an interview discussion. Here, what are highlighted with the red color? Every point is an important interview question. SVM algorithm helping to find the best line or decision boundary. This best boundary or region is called as what exactly? Hyperplane. Simple. The decision boundary also having another name. That name is what exactly? Hyperplane. Simple. Hyperplane actually. SVM algorithm, sir, let me tell you. I would like to tell one point actually. One simple point. I hope, I'm sure. Python. Next one is what exactly? Pandas. Next one is what exactly? Machine learning. Next one is what exactly? Machine learning. I would like to tell one small point actually. When I'm talking about the Python function, what is the topic name? Function, list, string, tuple, oops. These are all very funny topics. What topics? Very funny. Funny in the sense when I say function, immediately you can tell. When I'm asking about the list data structure, immediately you can tell. I'm sure on this one. Even when I'm talking about the pandas, when I'm asking about the data frame, you can explain what is a data frame. But when it comes to machine learning, when I say simple linear regression, when I say what exactly? Simple linear regression actually. Linear regression. The point is, you know the answer, but you are unable to deliver actually. You know the answer. You don't know where to start and where to close actually. I'm repeating again. ML is more on technical discussion. ML is more on what exactly? technical discussion. If you prepare Python 2 times actually, how many times? 2 times. Sir, machine learning double times you need to prepare actually. How many times? Double time, double time. When I say double time actually, talk with me how many times? Minimum 4. Then only you can connect. Don't underestimate machine learning, please. These are all terminology. These are all what exactly? Terminology. Just try to see hyperplane, support vector, distance between margin, goal, optimal hyperplane. When it comes to linear, at least this terminology will help you to map what algorithm I'm talking actually. But I'm repeating again, ML, more efforts required. What is required? More efforts. You need to practice actually. Okay. Keep in mind that. I'm sure this we already done. SVM algorithm helps to find the best line or decision boundary. This best decision boundary, this best decision, I'm sorry, man. This best boundary is called as what exactly? Region. Region or religion? I'm sorry, region. And it is also called as a hyperplane. SVM algorithm finding the closest point of the lines from the both classes. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. I would like to say this is the one category. This is another category. This is what exactly, sir? One category. This is another category. Definitely, backend SVM algorithm will apply some math. Will apply what exactly? Some math. It will apply either some Mathon distance or else some Euclidean distance. It will apply. By applying one math formula, it can draw a one single line or a single plane. It can draw one single line or what exactly, sir? One single plane actually. Then, by taking this line, I would like to say this is the almost near data point. This one also almost near data point. I would like to say edge points actually. I would like to say what exactly? Edge point. I'm sorry. In Telugu, I know actually. In Telugu villages, you can say Polymer antam kada. I'm not talking about Polymer movie. I hope you know this one. What I can say. Let us take a village actually. End of the house. What is that one, sir? End of the house actually. Group of the data points. I would like to say this is the very end of the data point, end of the data point. Even this one also end of the data point. These points are called as a, can somebody talk with me, sir? Support vectors. What is that one? Support vector. SVM algorithm finds the closest point. What is that one? Closest point of the lines from both classes. These points are called as what exactly? Support vectors. Indirectly, vector means a kind of, same question. Just before coming section, one person asked a question, sir. Ali, Ali Khan. One of our student, what is asking, is there any coding round? Is a selection process for experienced refresher actually? Let me tell you, let me take 100 companies. How many companies actually? 100 companies. Out of 100, minimum 5 companies. Minimum how many companies, sir? 5 companies. They will maintain some written test. They will maintain what exactly? Written test actually. Written test. Minimum 5 companies. 5 companies. Let us take a 95 companies actually. Remaining all companies, there is no thought of written test actually. But if you're a fresher, definitely written test. That too, that is not a technical discussion. That is not what exactly? Technical discussion. It's a kind of started from aptitude. Am I right or not, sir? You have selected, right? What you had written actually? Aptitude, I guess. He got selected for one of the top MNC company actually. How much package? 8.5 lakhs actually. Good. If you're a fresher, if you're a fresher especially, there may be a chance. There may be a chance, not too much technical, a kind of some aptitude. I'm sorry, let me stop this recording. I wanted to use one. Ali Khan, sir, I hope you understand. If you take 100 companies actually, 95 companies, 95 companies no written test, minimum 5 companies there is a written test actually. Okay. Uh, is there any coding round in the selection process? Any certification that can be get any job actually? This is the good answer, good question. Let me tell. Look at this one. Any certification that can help to get a job actually. The answer is No. Answer is what exactly, sir? No, actually. Only the point is during what exactly, sir? Interview. The one who have taken interview, that guy will give a rating for you. That guy will give what exactly? Rating. Best example. You guys came for my panel. You guys came to my panel interview. My panel, what exactly? Interview. Then, I am taking interview. Daniel is taking interview. This is you actually. This is what exactly, sir? You. Then definitely on an average, I may trigger 10 questions. How many questions I will trigger actually? 10 questions. If you are replying somewhat, either 6 question or seventh questions or else 8 questions actually, then definitely in resume, I can give a rating. Out of 10, the candidate is seriously somewhat 7.5 is good actually. 7.5, what exactly? Good. That's it. Based on this rating only, based on what exactly? This rating only. Now repeating again, is there any certification that can help to get a job for experienced profile actually? Absolutely, answer is no. But let me take one small certain scenario. What is that certain scenario? Let us take a TCS company. Let us take which company? TCS company. For TCS company, let me take Cerner company is the client actually. Cerner company is what exactly, sir? Client. Sometimes client will tell, sometimes not every time. I just need some certification. DSS certification. DS what exactly? Certification. DSS certification. Those who are all having that certification only, can you please take the interview actually? This is very rare scenario, sir. This is called as a on client demand. On client demand actually. But let me tell you, certificate won't help you. If you want, let me tell you, even recently one student, sir, I need a certificate. One of my client is asking actually. Then I have given one contact actually. Uh, you know, he paid 2000 rupees. How much actually? 2000 rupees. And he got a certificate. That too, Microsoft certificate. What certificate, sir? Frankly speaking, there are many channels. There are what exactly? Many channels. That is a genuine certificate. Trust me. Don't think like I created actually. What do you mean by genuine certificate? By paying money, I mean, by paying what exactly? Money, you can get the certificate. Instead of you, someone will give the interview. Someone will attend the interview, but don't trust the certificate, sir. Subject matters. What matters? Are you with me? Yeah. Sir, shall we apply placement assistance provided by Naresh Shetty, the courses? You can apply. Patel, sir, you can apply. Divya, sir, 14th April screening test is about what, sir, actually? Even I got a mail, actually. I should involve in that one also. I don't have a time. But once let me look into that one. Even I got a mail. 14th. When it is, sir? 14th, actually. If possible, let me reveal the question paper to you, actually. Is it fine? Why I will reveal, sir? Just I'm kidding. But I will give you the syllabus. Screening test is, yeah, let's move to the discussion, please. Let me hide this one first of all. For online team, it won't be there actually. That I'm not sure. I still need to walk through actually. First of all, let me hide this. Let's move on. Come on. I hope we are here actually. Even the previous few points I skipped actually. I will come to know this discussion and I need your help. Kindly please move on. The point will be first one is what exactly, sir? Hyperplane. Next one is a support vectors. I mean to say that this data point, this one is called as a support vectors actually. The distance between the vectors, I hope you know about the vector actually. Vector, scalar, vector, matrix. Repeating again, scalar single value. Vector, one data point and another data point. We can draw a line. We can draw what exactly? Line. That is called as a vector. That is called as what exactly? Vector. In Python terminology, that is called as a array. That is called as what exactly? Array. But in math, that is called as a vector, either single row or single column. The distance between the vectors and the hyperplane is called as a margin. The distance between vectors and hyperplane is called as a margin actually. Optimal hyperplane. Now, kindly, this diagram is important, man. During interview, if anyone is asking about explain the SVM, first to draw this diagram. Sketch is not required actually, just randomly you can draw. Randomly you can draw. Okay. The goal of SVM is what exactly? Maximize the margin. Maximize what exactly? Margin. The hyperplane with the maximum margin is called as a optimal hyperplane. Sir, simple, sir. The distance will be calculated from here to here, from here to here, here to here, kind of some optimization techniques it will apply. These are all points are important actually. Let me go back. Yeah, I hope this one I need to continue. SVM chooses the extreme data points are also called as vector that helps in what exactly creating hyperplane. These extreme cases are called as a support vectors. Hence, this algorithm is called as what exactly? SVM, support vector mission. SVM algorithm can be used for what exactly? Face detection, image classification, text categorization. No, these are all scenario. Yeah, let me tell you. Types of SVM. There are mainly two types. The first one is a linear. First one is linear. Second one is a non-linear. Non-linear SVM. Now linear SVM. If the data set can be classified into two classes by using a single straight line. I'm repeating again. Look at the diagram. Look at what exactly? Diagram. Assuming that this is the data point and this is the data point, we are separating this class and this class by using a single line. By using what exactly? Single line. That is called as a linear SVM. Linear, the name itself is having line. The name itself is having what exactly? Line actually. Are you getting? Good. What do you mean by non-linear, Non-linear means the separation is not a line. The separation is what exactly? Not a line. Then definitely it should be a plane. It should be what exactly? Plane actually. There are mainly two types of SVM. Are you getting? Sir, these are all terminology. No compromise, we need to walk through. Linear SVM, non-linear SVM. If the data set can be classified into two classes, if the data set can be classified what exactly? Two classes. By using a single straight line, then it is called as a linearly separable data. And the classifier is called as what exactly? Linear SVM. What do you mean by non-linear, If the data set is cannot be classified by using a straight line, cannot be classified by using a straight line, then it is called as a non-linear. Non-linear. This diagram not much important, sir. These are all I brought it from somewhere. Yeah. This point is important, man. Look at my screen, please. If you are having two features, if you are having what exactly? Two features, we can draw a line. We can draw what exactly? Line. If you are having a three features, we can draw a plane. Plane means, do you know the plane actually? The paper rocket, something like a aeroplane. I hope you know the wing shape. What is that one, sir? Don't you know plane actually? Let me draw, sir. I may not draw completely, but look at my screen. Assuming that this is the one data point, another data point, one data point. Yeah. First of all, we have a two data points actually. Who can draw a line? This is called as what exactly? Line. Let me draw a plane. The beauty in ML will be automatically it will draw these are all things, man. This is called as a plane. Don't say boat actually. Sir, reversed boat. This is called as a plane. This is called as what exactly? Plane actually. Guys, are you getting? Yeah. If there are three features, then hyperplane will be what exactly? Two-dimensional plane. Two-dimensional plane. How does SVM works actually? How does SVM works? Simple. The diagram you can please understand actually. Assuming that we do have a data points. This is the one group of the data. This is what exactly, sir? Another group of the data. If you want a kind line, you can draw actually. Otherwise, two-dimensional space also you can write, sir. Walk through theory in your free time. Almost. Yeah. Sir, I hope you already remember. Can I ask a question? Public data set. What data set? Public data sets actually. Any idea what data sets we have prepared? Come again. First one is a Titanic data set. And next one is a iris flower. Iris flower we already solved with by using what exactly? Any idea? Come again. Decision tree. Decision what exactly? Tree actually. The same problem you can still solve by using what exactly? Logistic regression. What exactly? Logistic regression. And the next one you can solve by using random forest also. Random what exactly? Forest also. And now by using SVM also we can solve. By using what exactly, sir? SVM also we can solve. How we can decide which algorithm is the best? Come again. Yeah, by finding the score. Simple. By finding what exactly? Score. Apart from that, nothing. Now let me help you. The same problem we can solve by using SVM. By using what exactly? SVM. Let me show you. I hope I no need to give the introduction actually regarding this data set. There are mainly three types of flowers. I would like to say every flower having what exactly? Sepal length and sepal width. Petal length and petal width. Let me ask you a question. How many types of flowers? Three types of flower. Total how many rows actually? 150. First type of flower, how many rows? 50. Second type of flower, 50. I mean to say that 150 is divided into three category actually. Good. Hope you remember. Total how many features? Four features. Four features. Am I right or not, sir? First one, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Very good. I hope you remember. Then quickly I would like to execute. Because of this cooling water, cold increases, sir. Let me run this example. I have a question for you. Tell me what is this? Yeah, if anyone is asking, can you please pro this is really function or not actually? What you need to do, just import this one, print of just name of the function. Print of what exactly? This is the just a practical proof. Yes, it is a function. It is what exactly, sir? What is the name of the function? This one. It is created so and so with some address actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. This is the best way. Now, let me just try to run this example very quickly. Yeah, these are all I hope you know. A description, data module, feature names, file name, a frame, target names actually. Sir, I'm sure you can easy to understand these are all discussion very quickly. We are calling what exactly? Feature name. Can I call this one? Sepal length, sepal width, petal width actually. Accessing target name. Can I ask one question? What is this? Attribute. What is output? Tell me everyone one more time. Attribute error. Good. Yeah. Setosa, versicular, virginic actually. Now we are just trying to accessing the data. Uh, Let me show you. Hello, Daniel. I just wanted to see total how many public data sets would you have? Machine learning public data sets. Public data sets. There is a one machine learning. Kaggle is the best website actually. Machine learning community, ML community. There is a one good website, sir. Yeah, this is the community actually. Here you can find out. archive.ics.uca.edu. Welcome to UC, machine learning repository and data sets. You can click on this. Yeah, first data set is this one only. What is the first data set? This is one of the popular data set. Being a data scientist, you should know minimum few public data sets. Few what exactly, sir? Public data set. Don't think like this is not using actually. By using that one, we are understanding ML algorithms. We are understanding what exactly ML algorithm. You should know few data sets. Can you please open this one? You need to walk through some time. You need to spend some time actually. What is this one? 150, four features, feature type, real means. Can somebody tell me what do you mean by real? Backend, it is having the real numbers, means numerical data. What data? Numerical data, actually. All right. So like this, you need to walk through. This is the web. Let me copy paste this website. This is one of the good website actually. But let me tell you, none other than the best websites are Kaggle actually. Kaggle. From Kaggle also you can get the data set. Yeah, let's move on. I hope you already print this one. Total 150. Let me ask a question. Can somebody tell me 1.7 is what exactly? Petal length. What exactly? Petal length. 3.0. Sepal. 5.1. Then I confirm you done practice actually. Length of the data. You can check this one. On 50. Then we are creating a, what is this? Can somebody tell me what is this? Plus, good. Can I change this? What is error? Type error. Description. Hmm. In self-reading, you will miss these all points actually. In self-reading, you will miss these all points. You need to import. Sir, come on. These are all called as the EDA. We already done this during one algorithm actually. What is that algorithm? Did you remember? Yeah. I hope you guys need to decide actually where we went already. Right, good. Iris equals to load underscore iris, and we are just trying to creating a data frame. And can somebody tell me this line is talking about adding a column, and definitely values is required. That values we are taking from this iris. Let's do that one quickly. Yeah, please observe this. Then simply we're accessing zero type of flower. We are checking the top 5 actually. Talk with me. I need seven rows. What I need to do? Come again. What I need to provide? 7 actually. One more alternative would you have? N equals to 7 also you can provide. What you can provide? Only n. If you give any other value, you will get an error. Valid actually. One day I opened the source code and I have seen head method, the return, I mean, the variable name is a n actually. Let me give, my name starts with D. Let me give what exactly D. Do you think it will work actually? N means number of rows. Please observe here. What error? Type error. Got unexpected. What exactly? Queued. The very common, sir. Here, but no one will not ask actually. But one day in my free time, I have verified these raw stuff actually. Some new points. Come on, let me not make you to feel bored actually. Target of 0. Next one is the length we are checking. Target of what exactly? Df dot target of what exactly? Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Online team, hold on, sir. maybe Naresh Shetty brought some platform. Even I need to walk through actually. Last week there are so much changes happened at Naresh Shetty. What is that platform is online support they're giving. What they're giving? Online support. If you are having one topic doubt, then you can book a slot actually. And around some 30 minutes time they will give. How long time? 30 minutes time. I will show you. First of all, let me understand what is that actually. I will show you maybe tomorrow. That kind of support also, Naresh Shetty is bringing. First time, in Amirpet market, this kind of support is not available. Best example, you started a preparation, you want small revision for list data type actually, list topic, or else you are facing some error. Then definitely you need a support. Am I right or not, sir? Maybe from morning to evening, online mentors would you have? Recently, maybe that was recruitment happen actually for mentors. Those mentors will help you. For you guys, Charan or something. I'm sorry, sir. Last week I was a bit busy. I got a 3 to 4 mails from Naresh Shetty. I didn't see order all those things. I will see. That's what I will say. That's what admin is telling. You didn't see how to see something like that. It is okay. Let me show you. I have a question for you. Can I check the? Can I provide here is one, sir? Can I provide here is two? Tell me. Empty data frame. Come on. I'm sure you will understand. These are all discussion. Let's move on. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Any idea? We are adding a column. Generally, zero means what is a zero? I don't know. I just wanted to give a small demo actually. Zero means what exactly? Setose. Next one is what exactly? Versicolor. Two means Virginia. But let me tell you, though it is a categorical data, what data? We are not using for ML. We are not using for what exactly? ML. We are not using actually. But generally, after this creation is just for showcase. If you want, we can drop actually. I will show you how to drop this one. I will show you this line. Hey Daniel, I didn't understand. Literal you can ignore, sir. Not at all required. Good. Let's move on. Yeah. First to first to one to I mean first to 50 flowers we are keeping separately. Sir, small kind update. Even just now I came across. Tomorrow management is giving holiday. Tomorrow management is giving holiday. I came across tomorrow is a festival actually. Am I right? Ugadi. Only tomorrow they confirmed actually. Next further days I'm not sure. We are having a session again on what exactly Wednesday. I didn't expected this. I don't know literally. Tomorrow would you have a festival? I don't know. That's okay. Let's move on. I'm sorry for saying you guys are getting. Don't feel be worry. I will help you with the nice references actually. But keep continue. Stick with the same spirit and keep continue your preparation. When we started this one November, right? It was almost rolled out 4 plus months, 6 months, huh? 4 months actually. Yeah, good. But don't worry, sir. I will help you. Yeah. Hold on, hold on. Now this is important. From here, it is a quite different, not like a previous example actually. Let us spend some time here. I'm repeating again. From here till here, everyone aware about this one. Let me just try to prepare this example one more time. Importing the libraries. Next one is loading the data set and creating a data frame. Loading the data set and creating a data frame. Then the next lines will be what exactly? We are adding a column. We are adding what exactly? Column. Can I ask a question? Are you guys able to understand this kind of small piece of the code actually? I'm sure you can understand. Now I would like to reveal one small secret. Data science means 60% coding. Data science means what exactly? Many guys are thinking 100% coding. No, 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 not 100% coding. 60% of the coding, 40% is analysis. 40% is what exactly? Data analysis. Existing data you need to understand actually. That's what you need to do. We are adding a column. The column name is a target. We are adding one more column. Column name is a flower underscore names. Now please observe here. We are creating how many data frames? Let me create a first data frame, sir. Let me show you. Why, Daniel? Hold on, sir. I will tell you. Why hurry? Let me tell you. df of 0. Let me print this. Yeah. Please observe this one. Can I say these are all 0 types of flowers? What is this one, sir? 0 types of flowers. Yeah, same thing like that. Can I create a all 3 data frames actually? Good. I mean to say that first type of flower, second type of flower, third type of flower. Am I right or not, sir? Now let me run this. Please observe this. Now we are just trying to planning for data visualization. What type of data visualization? Let us just try to plot the data. Look at my screen. Sepal length versus sepal width. I'm repeating one more time. Let me take setosa also having sepal length and sepal width, and versicolor also having what exactly? Sepal length and sepal width actually. Keep in mind that. Let us just try to draw. Let me just try to draw the diagram. The diagram is something like, scatter plot. What plots are? Scatter plot. And let me just try to explain this one. X label, Y label, sepal length and sepal width. And 2 flowers only we are taking. How many flowers? 2 flowers. The first one is a setosa. Next one is versicolor. Scatter plot from the D of 0, sepal length of CM. Sepal length of what exactly? Sir, I hope you know. DF of 0 means data frame. DF of 0 is what exactly? Data frame. In that data frame, there is one column. The first column is that one sepal length. Am I right or not? And next one is a sepal width. First column is sepal length. Next one is a sepal width. Good. And color equals to green. Marker equals to this one. First one scatter plot. Let me plot this one. One scatter plot. Let me plot this. Please, please. Daniel, why you're doing this one? Why you're doing this Hadavadi? Hold on, sir. PLT dot. Any idea? Let me draw this. Yeah, yeah. Please observe here. Good. Let me tell you. On x-axis, what I'm taking? Sepal length. Y-axis? Sepal width actually. Keep in mind that sepal length and sepal width I'm taking. Yeah, if the sepal length is something like this one, I would like to say this is the length actually. What is the length? Can somebody talk with me? Can I say 4.5? Tell me, sir. 4.5 is the length. Can I say this is the width value? What value, sir? Width value. What is the width value? 2.29, something like this. Here you can see. Here you can see the value actually. Whenever you are keeping your cursor, then definitely this is having some value. This is having what exactly? Some value. Are you guys getting? Good. Same thing like that. Now please understand. If the length is increasing, slowly by slowly, width also what exactly happens, sir? Increasing. Understand? If the length is increasing automatically, you need to understand that point. Now, let me just try to draw for what exactly, from the D of 0, From first data frame we applied actually. Let me apply it from the second data frame. Let me apply it from what exactly? Second data frame. First data frame, what type of flower? Very good. Second data frame, what type of flower? Good man. If you understand this, very nice. Let me overlap the diagram. If anyone is king scatter plot, I don't know. Show I don't know means even I don't know. You need to walk through actually. The topic name is a visualization. Matplotlib actually. Simply I'm telling I have an idea, but you guys need to walk through. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Really good actually. You need to understand this. You need to understand this. All these green setosa. What is that one? Setosa actually. These are all what exactly? Versicolor. I mean to say that first flower characteristics, first flower features, first flower what exactly sir? Feature. I'm sorry. First flower feature, frankly speaking, the length is very high. The length is what exactly? Very high. That analysis you need to do. And second type of flower length is what exactly? Not that much high. Compared to the first flower, second flower length is what exactly? Small only. If you want to go back and observe the diagram actually, you will understand. Spend some time. Yeah, yeah. This is the setosa. This is what exactly, sir? Versicolor, something like this. And the setosa, next one is what exactly? Versicolor. You guys need to spend some time. How the diagram looks like this actually. And now, same thing like that. Go back. Ayo, sir. Setosa and versicolor. Did you understand the diagram? Tell me, sir. Yeah, good. Now, move to the next one. Now I'm plotting for what exactly, no? Setosa versicolor. What I'm plotting? Petal length. Previously, sepal information. Previously, the sepal information. Now, what we are plotting? Petal information. Look at the diagram. The diagrams looks like this, sir. The diagram looks like this actually. Can I say this is the corner? This is the another corner actually, right? Let me draw this one very quickly. Can I draw this? I have one question. I will not ask what you're expecting actually. I will ask different question. Get ready. What is that error? Very nice, man. What is that error? Key error. Good. If column M is wrong, you will get what exactly? Key error. Very nice. Come on, my system stuck, man. Okay. Let me run this. Yep. Now please observe here. I would like to say the petal length. This what exactly? Petal width actually. This is quite funny. This is really quite funny. If you want to, target from the length actually. Length is plotting like this. Length is plotting like this. Length is even plotting like this. Length even plotting like this actually. How the data looks like, I'm remembering in my childhood, in villages, Navvar Manchu antaru kada. Any idea? I'm sorry, I don't know that one. Caught actually, exactly looks like this. It's okay. If you don't know what I told actually, then you are a rich person, sir. You can ignore the discussion. I'm kidding. You're a rich kid actually. Okay, let's run this one too. This is just visualization. We are not doing that much actually by doing this one actually. Yeah, keep in mind that, sir, when we are plotting next type of flower, what type of flower actually? Petal width. Previously petal length. Now can I say one thing actually? First one is what exactly, sir? Petal length. Next one is a petal width. Next one is petal length, petal width. Can I say this is the first type of flower? This is second type of flower, green color. Where green color is available here actually? Sir, I would like to say this flower literally it is dominating to this flower features. That point you need to understand. I mean to say that when you are plotting, you can draw some conclusion. You can draw what exactly? Some conclusion. I mean to say that the petal information, second type of flower is literally dominate. When I say dominating, see, these are all features in between 1 to 2 only. Once one in between the centimeter 1 to what exactly? 2 only. But this is what exactly, sir? The game started from 3 till to 5. Okay, fine. Hold on. Splitting the data. Can I do this one very quickly? Let me just try to do this. X we are preparing. I hope you know the features. Total 4. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. And Y equals to what exactly? Target. And from data frame we are dropping target and what exactly? Flower name. Drop is a very good, sir. You are ready to answer actually. Data preparation is done. Let me do splitting the data set also. What is the ratio? 80? Come on. Random underscore state means very nice. One time shuffling. One time what exactly? Shuffling. Second time onwards, no shuffling. The data is constant. The data is what exactly? Constant. I would like to say the data is persist. Yeah, come on, man. The model is SVC. What is it? What is the model actually? SVC. What happened, sir? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Then otherwise, what is error? Good. We are creating a model. Support vector classifier. What is this one? Support vector classifier. Let me just try to import this. Sir, previous example and this example, what is the change? You know, only the algorithm name is a change. Everything is a same actually. Only the algorithm name is change. All right, man. Next one is a training. Good. Check the score. What is the score? 96. If you want, you can check the score. Model prediction. You need to call a method. Method name is a predict. 4.8 means sepal width, petal length, petal width. What is the type of flower? No, the first type of flower. Sir, I'm repeating again. This is the basic example. Don't think like, sir, can I add? Previously, one student asked one question. Can I add this example into in my resume? No, no, no. If you add, they will find out you are from where exactly. I'm repeat actual. Yeah, the point will be why? Because during real time, we never ever solve a problem which is a iris actually, but we are solving problem from Kaggle. Take SVC algorithm. This is the kind of some just a template actually. Take the SVC algorithm, jump into Kaggle actually. They try to find out few problems actually. I'm sure that you can add actually, right? Now let me run this. Warning. I know. I hope you know how to fix actually. All right, man. So can I upload? We done for today's session. Let me just try to upload. Let me take this. Sirisha ma'am, let me find out my best time. I will definitely connect with you. I hope you're looking for the resume preparation, right? I will help you, boss. So today R value and what exactly? SVM. Both let me upload very quickly. Small update tomorrow. Do you have a session? No session, sir. Doors will be closed tomorrow actually. Thank you. We done for today's session. I will upload. I will take care upload actually.